Hey, I'm back with another firework video today. Today we got 3 items I'm going to light off. The first one is the 40-inch giant parachute. I actually lit this one in my previous video, but the parachute didn't open properly, so I figured we'd try this one again. The next is called the Ladybug, and basically it spins around on the ground and shoots up in the air, and it leaves like a trail of sparks behind it. And the last one is called Triple Bang, and it's basically a little aerial that goes up. There's no color or anything like that. It just makes 3 loud bangs, and it sounds pretty cool. I know it's daylight out, but I figure I'd do them now, that way you can see what the parachute looks like. And this, like I said, it just makes a sound effect, and the Ladybug you'll be able to see better too. So let me get over on the driveway and we'll light them off. Okay, first one we're going to light is the giant parachute. There, that's better. Okay, next we'll do the triple bangs. And like I said, this one just makes 3 loud bangs. Well, either 2 of them went off at the same time, or that was only a double bang. But either way, it's still pretty cool. And the last one is the Ladybug. This will spin around on the ground and then shoot up in the air. Of course, it's got to be windy out. Oh, that was the Ladybug. If you guys want to see any more videos of any more fireworks, or to see what I have for the 4th of July, just hit the like button or leave a comment below. See you on the next video.